Good morning, brothers and sisters, friends, ladies and gentlemen, students, sportsmen, scholars, officials and ministers all around the world, those who are listening, I welcome all. Dr. Rakesh from USA. Everyone wants to travel abroad. It is the strong desire of everyone to travel abroad and gain knowledge, health, improvement, and for collecting valuable materialistic goods. But the journey which is very essential for everyone while living on this earth, that is the journey of eternal abode, where there is no discrimination of rich and poor, high and low. Nobody knows our social status, but according to our actions, we will go as per the desire of God and Lord. The word eternal stands for ceaseless, everlasting, immortal, perennial, perpetual, and deathless. As the one that neither has a beginning nor the end. The abode means the permanent residence in the form home or paradise. The eternal subject only release to the supreme divine power means God that projects towards heavenly destination. Permanent avatar or divine abode, holy, humble, supreme, and celestial abode. In Hindi, it suggests about Swargas or Swargvas and Sanatana Dharma Banvas. The paradise has actual spiritual sky with spiritual planets which are more spacious and greater in number than planets in material sky. The residents blessed to stay there are full of 8 qualities of wealth, strength, knowledge, beauty, fame, happiness, contentment, and renunciation. The spiritual knowledge acquired during lifetime cannot be taken away. It will continue to persist even after death. The celestial abode is transcendental place. Once achieved, the soul never returns to the material world. He or she attains supreme perfection, living engaged in devotional service. In the eternal abode, attain the perfection of human life. The atheist and less intelligent do not have information of the Creator and His eternal abode in the spiritual world. It is far beyond the range of their visibility. The God has in store to reward His faithful followers. The sinners will be supported within hellfire, whereas the believers are granted their entire control containing all that they desire. The place of paradise has gardens with flow of rivers, houses of red rubies with decorated carpets, dining tables, delicious dishes, etc. The believers get strength to derive pleasure from all these bounties. The dresses and ornaments in the form of silky green robes, adorned with pearls and bracelets of gold. The food and drinks in the divine throne is whiter than milk, sweeter than honey, softened than butter, and grass with fragrance of saffron. Nobody has directly observed the conditions and atmosphere of heaven or hell. It seems to be a thought of imagination. Life on earth is regarded as temporary journey from earth to heaven. With departure from earth, the soul migrates from mortal world to its eternal abode. Heaven is holy, clean, beautiful and perfect place, considered as dwelling of God and His angels, but also provide blessing for prophets and eminent devotees. It is without tears and pains. God wishes to dwell with you and wipe away all your sufferings. Heavens refers to endless planets, stars and galaxies in the sky are much above earth. Heaven is considered as Vaikantha or Brahm Lok, Devlok and Swarglok by Hindus and Jannah in Quran. It is a gift blessed through God. When the devotees have lived with true faith, it bestows great calmness, contentment, joy, health, peace and delight. The believers are granted their kingdom that comes entirely in their control, containing all that they desire according to certain religions. Heavenly beings can descend to earth or incarnate and can ascend to heaven after life. As per versions of William Shakespeare, heaven is treasury of everlasting life. Salvation cannot be earned, but is a gift from the grace of God. You have been saved through real faith. Hell corresponds to atheists committed to sins during life. It is considered as fiery, painful and harsh, providing suffering to guilty. It is subjected as punishment to the wicked and unrighteous after death. Hell is ruled by devils. It is reckless. According to Chanakya, the poisons are due to excessive necessities in the form of hunger, ego, greed, laziness,